This is gonna blow your mind. Did you know that your car might have a hidden safety issue that you're completely unaware of? It's true, and it's more common than you might think, but don't worry, we're here to help you figure it all out. Imagine driving around with a potential safety hazard in your vehicle. Scary, right? But there's a way to stay ahead of the game and ensure your car is safe for you and your loved ones. A vehicle recall happens when a manufacturer discovers a safety problem with one of their models. This could be anything from faulty brakes to airbag issues, and it's crucial to address these problems as soon as possible. They'll send you a notice, so keep an eye on your mailbox. These notices are important and should never be ignored. They contain vital information about the issue and the steps you need to take to get it fixed. Just bought a used car? You might not receive a recall notice if the previous owner didn't update their information. This is why it's essential to take proactive steps to ensure your vehicle is safe. Contact the manufacturer or a local dealership to update your info and stay in the loop. This way you'll be notified of any recalls and can take action immediately. Now, the easiest way to check for recalls? It's simpler than you might think. Use the Motor Vehicle Safety Recalls database. This online tool is incredibly user-friendly and provides up-to-date information on any recalls affecting your vehicle. Just visit the Canadian government's website, enter your vehicle's details, and boom. You'll have all the information you need at your fingertips. You'll see if there are any recalls. Worried about costs? Don't be. In Canada, manufacturers cover the repair expenses so you won't have to pay a dime. In Canada, manufacturers cover the repair expenses. This means you can get your car fixed without worrying about the cost. It's a win-win situation. Just schedule a free service appointment at the dealership mentioned in your recall notice. It's a straightforward process and the dealership will handle everything for you. Need a loaner car? Don't let the inconvenience of being without a car stop you from getting the recall fixed. Ask your dealership, they might hook you up. Many dealerships offer loaner cars while your vehicle is being repaired so you can go about your day without any hassle. Thinking about buying a used car? It's crucial to do your homework before making a purchase. Check its recall status first. This simple step can save you a lot of trouble down the road. While provinces don't require recalls to be fixed before registration, it's smart to know what you're getting into. Being informed about any potential issues can help you make a better decision. Look up the Vehicle History Report for peace of mind. This report will give you a comprehensive overview of the car's past, including any recalls. And insurance? Usually recalls don't affect your premiums. However, it's always good to check with your insurance provider to be sure. But ignoring a recall for too long. That could raise your insurance costs because it makes you a higher risk. Insurance companies see an unrepaired recall as a potential hazard. That could raise your insurance costs because it makes you a higher risk. So, stay informed. Taking care of recalls promptly can save you money and keep you safe. Checking for recalls is easy, and repairs are free. There's really no downside to staying on top of this. Your safety on the road should always come first. Drive safe, Canada. Remember, a few minutes of your time can make a world of difference in ensuring your vehicle is safe and sound.